Ready? Matthias. Good job. Good job, buddy. Yeah, good job. No hands. You're doing good.
No, just stand over here so we...
You're doing good. Ready? You're doing good. With your mouth. Are you ready? Are you ready?
He's doing it on purpose.
Wow. You're hurting my stomach. Ready? Let's take a bite. It's good, huh, baby? Water? Here, have some water.
Is that all you need? Just like a...
One more bite. Just one more bite, okay? Want to try one more bite? You really like it? You really like it?
Oh!
You think we should go back to carrots? You want to go back to carrots? Huh? You can stop. Matthias, you make